Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today you are learn to design a control panel to operate dual speed 3-phase squirrel gauge single winding motor. One motor but two winding in this motor. How to design control panel? Today you are learn in my channel. Let's start this. This is the software. You are simulation this control wiring and power wiring. This is the circuit breaker, contactor, overload relay. This is the two winding motor. This is the all control wiring. Now start simulation. Close control fuse. Now motor is stop. This is the selector switch. Now first operate in AND mode. Start AND mode. First we start low speed. See, low speed is running. Motor also run. Motor is running. Now again you start high speed. Motor is running in 2 speed. High speed pilot lamp is now indicate. This is the AND mode. Now next step is auto mode. How it will work. Now simulation. This is off, 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 reset. Now next step is how to work in auto mode. Auto mode, this is the BMS. I am using in this auto in BMS on and off. This is the signal on, off and on. This is the input. This is the input BMS low operate. This is the high operate. Now start low, again high. This is the auto mode, control through BMS. And anyway, this is the OLR when trip. This lamp is off. And both OLR trip, then indicate the trip. This like I design. This motor have many application and using this dual speed medium voltage motor are used. Example, fan, ventilators, conveyors, pump, hoist and more. This is a 2 position switch using in control panel. This is auto and hand mode, but in this software no have feature selector switch, so I using NONC logic for showing to understand how will work hand and auto mode. This is the simulation. This is today's subject. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe my channel, like and share. Thank you.